Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is There's a Card Thursday. And I want to use some of the Ornate Garden stamps and items in the suite to make a really nice card. I call this my Ornate Style Daisies. So what we're going to be using, let's bring this up, is we're going to be using the Ornate Style stamp set. We are also going to be using, for ink, Memento Black, and we're going to be using the stamping blends. I know that's going to be different because we're doing a note card, but we're going to be using the stamping blends. We are going to be using a Whisper White note card. Plus, we are going to be using just under a 3.5 by 5 inch piece of wisteria or Highland Heather, and that's the same as with the well, where's the Highland Heather? That was Purple Posy. Here's the Highland Heather blends. We are also going to be using the Ornate Garden combo ribbon pack, and we're using the terracotta tile. And then we're using, I'm going to be using snail today. It's a little bit different. We're going to be using the Big Shot, and we are going to be using the Ornate layer dies. Okay. So what we're first of all going to do is we're going to get the Big Shot out, and where's the one that I'm using? Okay, oh, there it is. We're using this little one right here, and that's going to go right there. Now this is going to shake the camera a bit, but sorry, I just wanted to show you. Oh, and one other thing you should have when you do this is you should have your die brush and your die pad. So now I figured that, let's bring this as far up as possible. You're just going to set this down, try to get it in the middle towards the bottom. And that's not going to be towards the middle, towards the bottom. It's going to be towards the top, unless I fold it over. Okay, so I'm just going to put that there, and I'm going to run this through. And you may want to run it through a couple of times. Okay, and then I'm going to take that out, drop down the and this is why you want to have your pick a tool and your die brush, because it goes so much easier than just having to pick those out one piece at a time. So there we go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the daisy and I'm going to stamp it with Memento Black 3 times right above that. Oops. And you're going to want a little green, so we're going to get Old Olive also. Now let's clean this off. And now I'm just going to take maybe my light we're just going to do this. And you can make these any color you want. I'm just going to highlight a little bit of these with the dark. Just around there. Let's get some Daffodil Delight. Let's do a light Daffodil Delight. And we're going to do a light Old Olive. And then for the stem, I'm going to use the dark Old Olive. Now I want to show you something really cool. See, it shows, and I really don't like that when that shows. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our Highland Heather piece of cardstock, and we're going to attach that to the inside back of that front page. Just like that. And I just put it just a little less than what a half of it is, just so I can close it. Now there, isn't that beautiful? But I want something else on there. Look, and you don't have to see that. I'm going to make a bow with the terracotta tile ribbon. And I'm going to take some glue dots and just glue them down. And there. Got a cute little card. Remember to follow me on YouTube. Everything you need is down below. I really would appreciate that if you like my videos, that you shop with me for your Stampin' Up! Products. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.